dab in here. I don't know, you can do. Oh, here's a flaky foil. You can incorporate with all different. You can do a smaller, bigger one. Who someone will ask is for Debbie. Debbie will ask this. Debbie, if you are not here, you can absolutely be watching them, my love. I know, you can add it more. And then I don't need to do anything. I just need to, and then put it on. How lucky that I got to know all of you. You know what? Because we're all in the same missions and passions, and we went to learn something new every day. That's how we met each other, right? That's awesome, Sharenda. Maybe one of these days Dom will be here online with me, or Vicky. Yeah, Vicky, thank you for every single of you. We wouldn't be here without every single of you, so absolutely appreciate. And we are going to have a brand ambassador contest coming. So thick density from our condensed glue gel, this is a must. I don't know all about you, but for me, yes, for crystal placement, I feel so good. It really ensures that crystal stay on. So I don't have to be nervous. Oh my God, it's gonna come off. No wipe top coat. If you are doing a matte top coat, you can absolutely add matte on. So the finish you want to be matte, not shiny. But if you want shiny nails, we are going to, here, let me move this one away. This is going to be 5D. So Vicky, do you want to see 5D's nails done? Anyone want to see 5D? Let me know. So I am going to do it. If not, then... Alright, just dragon scale. Let me pick my... Ta-da! I'm mixing this one and this too. It's a lot gonna be continue. Well, it's not in this one. This one is just how I organize it, but I didn't get a chance to organize all. But I want to show you what I got. Okay, I think I got that. One's good. I believe this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want this shape, this is the 5th collections, the number 5 collection from a crystal. So you get a lot for your money. Absolutely super. Oh, this one is smaller one. Maybe I get the smaller one. We'll see. Okay, that's all I need. And I have right here with me with dragon scale. Maybe I should do the other one. You know what? This one, if you put chamfer foil leaves like this on, it's gonna look so stunning like that. This will definitely fall. Alright, so I'm gonna put centerpiece. A lot of you were asking, how do you decide what to do with your crystal placement? I usually get the big like crystal first, and then I start dress it up along with my big centerpiece. All right, let me see. Good evening, Nail Bling Sandra. Lisa. So did you use a condensed glue gels and top coat for the foil? Lisa, no. I did chamfer foil premium IHO chamfer foil, babe. And I applied here for 30 seconds and I add this foil. You can do this foil, or you can, if you have a foil chamfer, you can absolutely use this. This is a flaky foil. Vicky, are you enjoying it right now, drinking cerveza right now? Are you ready for tomorrow? Are you excited for tomorrow? She's such a great, amazing leader, and also is a great educator. Good bestie. We travel a lot together. We're goofy. We just do a lot of things together. I learned so much from this lady. So lucky to have you. Was sometime talking to you 3 o'clock in the morning. How did we do that? We talk about nails, we talk about traveling and learning how we can able to help a lot of nail tech to do better, how we can able to improve different techniques, how we can bring the best of the products on all of you as a nail tech's life. It's a lot of things. So I am using my little pumpkin spice crystal right there. I can dress it up really crazy though. Should I? I should, huh? I can. See, you do it without thinking. I think too much. I think so. I think when I watching you on the lunchroom and I turn your volume, so then like if any of us were watching and everybody, I think people like, Surrender think too much. I think she did good. People like, she did amazing. She think too much. You're hard on herself. I said, oh, you think so? I said, yeah. They didn't watch, but they listened because I was in a lunchroom, in a break room, and then they got to listen with me. And I said, she did good. She did like, oh my God, it turned out amazing. And I said, oh, okay. Yeah, you did amazing. I got to seeing it. Somehow I missed your live video. Did I miss your live video earlier? On Facebook, if you haven't followed Surrender's Creative Touch. Yes, thank you, Dom. All right, so let me see. See Pramka. Hey, Dom. Okay. Surrender, you are not only one. Are you Pisces? Are you Pisces? So if you are, I don't know what happened to our Pisces. Me, I'm Pisces. I don't know what about Vicky and Dom. My husband is, what are you? September?
Yeah, I'm a Libra.
Libra. He doesn't even think much. Just do it. That's how it is. I don't know. If any one of you are Libra, do you find yourself like that too? Vicky is Libra. I know now. Birthday, Vicky, birthday. September 9. Leo, what month is that? Me too. Dom, what are you? Oh, Gemini is January, right? Okay, I'm so bad at this. I remember the birthstone, but I don't remember it's like zodiac sign. All right, if you don't want anything else, you can absolutely here, and that's it. But I think I'm gonna put some beads on. Taurus, August. Huh? Are you a Libra? Vicky? She's OCD. She come to see me. She gonna kill me. I don't know why we still be together until today after 12 years over. I must have something that she won't like not get rid of me. Thank you, Vicky. Okay, so Vicky, January is Capricorn or Aquarius. Any Cancer in the house? Cancer is August. Oh, Capri is so good at this. Why are you so good at that, Capri? So amazing. Garnet, yes. Okay, CC, now is that she know all that. Okay, so I will adjusting this. We need to have all of you on Zoom so I can see your face and you can talk to me and you can keep me entertain when I'm create some nails. So I don't talk because I talk and I don't get to see anything. I miss so much. You're talking something cool and fun and I don't get to see the screen, and sometimes I like look up. I miss whole entire the fun conversation. We need to be on Zoom and doing nails together. Alright, it took me a little bit longer to do this now because I think I talk too much because I really enjoying it. And alright, it looks so good. So fun. See, now I'm talking about this before I care. With this nail, you know, what is in your thought? I want to see your thought of how much you would charge this for your clients, how much you would pricing for your clients in your, if it you, how much would you do? So this is perfect for fall. Even like this is cool. By this time, a lot of clients don't want to be really crazy scary for Halloween. They would doing like some fall colors because after Halloween the nails still look cute instead of walking around with like scary, like creepy nails, stuff like that. I'm gonna get one of this and wipe it off. So I did this with Welcome Hugs and Thinking Green, but in neons. I really like the neon. Neon is just so pop. So I'm happy with this here for 60 seconds. 20.